Hey guys, Dean here from Big Dog Builds. We've got the July shed update. It's been a crazy June, end of financial year was definitely insane. Thank you to all the customers getting those orders in for June. Welcome to a massive July as well. In the car park, I won't show you too much of these builds, but we've got some epic vehicles in the car park. We've got some Saturn PPF Chevys, so shout out to Slickaz for always providing awesome service on these PPF jobs. We're getting pretty known for the Saturn Chev PPF, so this is color change protection all in one combo. We've got a pretty cool looking red one here at the moment. We've got a black one inside you'll see shortly, but doing paint protection film over these vehicles is definitely really important to keep them looking top notch all the time. They do have plastic memory in there. If you get slight scratches, the heat or the sunlight will fix these scratches and make them look brand new again. But yeah, it looks amazing. We've also got F-Truck with spray-in bed liner done. So this is a start. We've done suspension, wheels, tires, chrome delete, and now the spray-in bed liner on this F-Truck's looking amazing. We've got a couple awesome looking black Chev 2500s. One of them's getting released very shortly, and the other one, we're just about to film it next week as well. It's getting very close to the end of its build. So come on in, we'll show you the shed. We'll show you what's happening behind us. It's yeah, really exciting. Some wicked looking F-Truck builds, Chevys and Rams. Let's get into it. Pretty cool Method wheels. Shout out to Method, being a really good supplier always. These are the 305 bronze. These are 18x9 POS 18 HD wheel for the Ram 2500 HD. So we've got the Ram 2500 on the hoist. This is getting a 3.25 inch Carli pin top kit. It's getting massive 37, 13.5, 18 tires on 18x9 POS 18 wheels. The bronze on the white's going to look amazing. We've done it a couple of times, but I'm keen to see it again. Stocko wheels look a little bit weird on the factory Ram right now. The front end's pretty much sorted. We're just welding on those limit straps up the front on the Carli radius arms. It's getting the Carli pin top 3.25 inch kit. So you've got the coils up the front, the 2.5 King shocks, torsion sway bar in there, as well as the radius arm upgrade as well, which you might as well do. Doing the radius arm drops from this 3.25 inch kit, adding the radius arms is going to help limit that overextension of the shocky. Welding those limit straps in there is next level again. This Carli product's always top quality, fit really nicely, and one of the best out there on the market. Swinging around, we've got a couple Chevys and an F-Truck on the hoist as well. So this Chevy's come in, fairly simple build on this one. We've got the 3-inch Cognito kit with the Elka 2.5 shocks. It's got the Off-Road Creative color-coded bar on the front there. It's got the 3 laser lamps on the front. Awesome looking lights, the steady lights inside the bar, which will be nice close range flood. And then those laser lamps are going to give you massive distance as well. So this one's also got the Amp Research electric side steps getting fitted. These are nice side steps, both fold down on the Chevys due to the conversion, but wicked looking steps, nice and easy to get in your truck. On the hoist, we've got a 2016 F250, sorry, so Jason's truck all the way down from Emerald. This thing's been challenging, I'll put it that way. It's getting a full coilover conversion kit. Dom's busy away installing this amazing looking Carli kit, 2.5 inch shocks, being remote res. This is quite a complex install. It's been a challenging one. The radius arms are going in. We've got weld on limit straps in there as well. And then we're going to get it up to the spring shop to get the rear leaf springs done. All the ball joints replaced, full wheel alignment, and then we're getting into roof rack, LED lighting, air on board, and a solar panel to the roof rack to trickle charge your batteries under bonnet as well. As I said before, shout out to Slickaz. Here's a beautiful looking Chev. This is Bronwyn and Cheese Chev. So this has got the Saturn PPF over the black, which looks amazing. You can see the contrast there between the factory black on this Chev and the Saturn PPF. This one is going to get an Off-Road Creative front bar. The front bar is getting PPF wrapped as well, which is definitely the best protection for stone damage up the front. This one's also going down, getting a MITS alloy canopy on the back. And you can see the difference there Again, the contrast between the satin PPF and the black of the vehicle. If you did have any wash marks or anything like that on these black surfaces, putting the satin PPF or even the clear PPF from Slickaz is going to cover all of them. It's going to protect your vehicle and look amazing for years to come. Another beautiful black Chev. This one's getting a few more things after the canopy. Got the F-Truck on the hoist. Plenty of Chevs, F-Trucks and Rams in the car park. If you've got a HD truck, get in touch today. I look forward to helping you out and get you in this year. Cheers, guys.